Morning all. This week I want to highlight an excellent feature of Microsoft 365 that isn't one of their shiny apps, but is one that we use at Mason Infotech to great effect, and one that can save you from forking out for third-party project management tools like Trello or Asana. If you haven't heard of them, I can guarantee someone else in the business will have, and might be using the free versions. So it's a great way also to get rid of some shadow IT in the business. It's called Microsoft To Do, and it's included in 365. It's available within the search bar. It's fantastic for keeping on top of to-do lists and making sure you're nice and efficient with your time. Also great for spreading tasks through the team and assigning responsibilities to individuals. So how do you use it best? Well, first, obviously, open the To Do app. It opens by default to the My Day screen, which you can see here, and which you will see populate as you add tasks. To add a task, you click the button labeled Add Task, which is surprisingly easy for Microsoft. Then you can select a time and date, a schedule for reminders, and an option to make that task recurring. You can also do that simply by typing the actions within that, right? So if you want to call dad every Thursday and be reminded 5 minutes before, we just need to create a task, set the date, make it recurring, and set a reminder. We can do that either by clicking all the buttons, or we can simply write it in the task prompt. So call dad every Thursday at 3 p.m. Remind me 5 minutes before. Click enter. So what you can see there is that has then created a task that says call dad every Thursday at 3 p.m. Remind me 5 minutes before. It has created a reminder for the time you want to call him, and it has made it recurring every Thursday. If we want to add a note, so let's say call mobile, not landline, you can add a note in there. If you want to add another person in, so let's say I want Joe to also call my dad, I can add a user into there. I can also add a file. So let's say I need to add something in for, I don't know, reference put online, we can do that. What that has then done is created a task in my day that is there every time I open the application. And if I'd like to mark it as done, once I've spoken to him, mark it as completed. It then goes into your completed tasks. So you can report on the actions you've taken should you need to. When you complete a task, you also get a lovely little completion noise, which is great for a dopamine hit. Let me know if this is useful, guys. You can dive into the more advanced features of To Do. If it was, give me a shout. Thanks, everybody.